Jesus man, how many million pixels do you need to shoot a 4K video? Hi everyone, I'm Jinn from DustyHueRoom, and the topic of today is how many million megapixel do we need for 4K shooting? As you know, 4K is everywhere. On the phone, on the camera, everywhere is 4K, on the TV, streaming, even Pornhub. Am I right? And then the question pop up, how many million pixels do we need for 4K video? Because there is a lot of format in the market, like 40 million pixel, 80 million pixel, even 150, bloody hell. So let's split 4K to a two type, because 4K have a lot of format, have a lot of type, which is I'm not going to go in detail about that. I'm gonna split it as two. One is 4K UHD and 4K DCI. 4K UHD is ultra high, so it's on everywhere. It's on television, it's on the phone, it's on streaming, everywhere. And 4K DCI is stand for 4K Digital Cinema Initiative. And what is the difference about these two types? So first, UHD is 3640 times 2160, and another used for cinema, which is DCI. So DCI is 4096 times 2160. Seems like DCI is a little bit longer. Let me calculate that by the calculator app on iPhone. So calculator, let's say 4096 times 2160, and the result of this mathematic thing is 8,847,360. I'd rather call 9 million. Just only 9 million pixels that we need. Just that. Yeah. Just 9. And let me give you a little trick. I have two full frame sensor. One is 40 million, one is 10 million. Do you think which one shoot better 4K than another? Comment me below or asking me something on my Facebook page, DustyHueRoom, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'm Jinn, and this is my DustyHueRoom. Goodbye.